Did you know a stroke can happen to anyone? I didn't until it happened to me. One ordinary Monday morning, I woke up at 6 o'clock, ready to tackle the day. By 7 o'clock, I couldn't even button my shirt, and 4 minutes later, I collapsed. 4 weeks in hospital felt like a lifetime. Relearning the basics, lifting my arm, standing up, it was so humbling. But it wasn't the end of my story. It is the beginning of a mission. And that's why I started Stroke Information, to give survivors and their family the support that I wish I'd had. Together, we've helped so many people rebuild their lives. People like Sophie, Dan, Rianne, but the work is far from done. A stroke can happen to anyone, but together we can ensure no one faces recovery alone. Please donate today. Every little bit brings hope to someone else's darkest day. If you've had a stroke and are looking for like-minded people, or if you're looking to understand more about how people deal with life after stroke, then you're more than welcome. Please get in touch. We're here to help.